Hello students, I just want to show you quickly how to access the MISD ISD databases and other sources for your current issues research project. One really nice place to start is Room for Debate. That's part of the reason we've been doing this assignment for several weeks now, so you can have an idea of some current issues. Another place to start is procon.org. You just have to be careful with this website because there is controversial information and it changes quite a bit. They have 50 topics at any one given time, but they're never really the same topics because the issues change. And so if you go to procon.org, it has categories, and so you need to pick a category that is important, but it's not really just local necessarily. Like school uniforms, it's not a life-changing issue, and so I would skip that. I would also not select a topic where your mind is already made up, because what's the point of researching if you already have an opinion about something? And so go here, and they have some interesting topics to look at. For example, you may want to consider felon voting. Should people who have a felony be allowed to participate in the democratic process, like voting? Okay, and again, it cannot be something that you've made your mind up about. Let's look at video games and violence. What's nice about this is that it has information, like background information. It also has the pro side and the con side. Answering this question, do violent video games contribute to youth violence? This one is saying yes, it contributes to youth violence. This one is saying no. If you look at the little number here, it's tells you the original source, so it'd go down here, and that's the original source. Okay, they're just creating their footnote page. You could try to locate that source if you want to read more. Here's the background information. It also has graphs and charts. It has the political cartoons, which are some of the images that you need. And so it's a very, very useful website. It has the videos. Again, you just have to be careful because, like I said, the topics change, and it might have a topic that you find offensive or inappropriate. It's a decent place to start. So, and another place that is useful, and you'll need to use this anyway, is the MISD ISD databases. And so if you go to our home page, the MISD ISD home page, which might get there one of these years. Let's see. Pause this. Okay, I'm back. It's finally there. I believe if you go straight to library services, you can have the databases. Maybe not. Online resources. Here it is. Here's all the databases for MISD ISD. This one, opposing viewpoints, is very handy. Again, it shows you both sides of an issue. And so you can come here and try to find the topic that you've found on procon.org, just to give you more information. It may not be here, so you can look at another topic. Let's just look at the DREAM Act. Okay, what's really nice about the MISD database, you know it's safe. And it has the viewpoints, featured viewpoints, view all 6. This just has 3 listed, but you can look at all 6 of them. They're from reputable resources, and I would use that as a starting spot. They also have it in the news. They have it down here in academic journals, which is something you need to look at. They have the statistics and different websites. And so this, again, is a very valuable resource. Let's look at the statistics. See, it has a chart, which you need. And what's nice about the MISD database is it gives you the source citation. And so if you log in to the EasyBib through the school, then you can just cite it. It'll tell you to cite it on here, and you can do that, and it'll create the bibliography page for you. If not, you can just right here copy and paste it onto your bibliography page. Okay, And so here's cite it before you write it. This is EasyBib through the school. And you would log in using your Mesquite ISD login, and it would save everything for you. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you, if I can get to it, are some student examples right here of a research proposal. I'll send these to you. Here are two examples. This one's on Boolean. It has the MLA header. It has a title. It is double spaced, has 1-inch margins. It's almost 2 pages. This is the information. It talks about background information, why it's an important topic today, how he will research it, where he'll start. Now this paragraph is not the strongest paragraph because it's really, your final paragraphs are supposed to tell you, it's like an outline but in prose format, so you know that your first body paragraph is your intro, and you're going to talk about this. Your first paragraph is your intro. Your first body paragraph, you're going to address this issue. You need to be specific, and so this is not the best introduction or background organization paragraph, but it would work. Here's another one that I'll send you, and I'll put on the Weebly. It has a little bit more information in her conclusion. Now the thing that you need to pay attention to is the bibliography page has every single source she looked at. Okay, she may not use all of these in her research paper, but it has everything that she consulted. And same thing with the other one. Exactly, it's a lot more detailed. Every single source that he consulted is on here, and it's in the proper order. It's in alphabetical order. It has the reverse indentation. Another thing you need to look at is how they've got the page numbers correctly, where it has last name, page number, and it begins on the second page. I'll show you real fast how to do that. You have to go to the print setup, go down to page setup, and right here on layout, see different first page. You click that and it will start your numbering on the second page and continue it all the way to the end. Okay, that's it. Good luck.